Horse rockets, horse rockets, horse rockets, horse rockets. I'm gonna blow up no arse. Horse rocket, horse rocket. Wow!
Alright, today we've got the arse rocket plane. I think it's gonna fly amazing, but if we let off the throttle, it'll go straight into the ground. But that's not that big of a deal.
Predictions?
I hope it doesn't crash, but I think it's probably gonna crash.
I think it's gonna crash, but fingers crossed.
Yeah!
Yeah,
Anything could happen at this point.
basically.
Ready?
I don't even know if I'm following it, but this is actually insane that this is working. Dude, what?
Okay, it's it survived! Isn't that crazy? Did the propeller break? The propeller didn't break!
Dude, what?
Dude!
Oh my god. Heck yeah. That's gonna be some crazy footage.
Yeah.
It is really windy.
And just like that, our plane flew. We had strong doubts at first, but it turns out it flies really well. Time for some more test flights.
Yes!
Okay, launch number 2. Weird noise.
Goofy ass noise.
Oh my gosh.
The wind is like effing with it. This is insane how well this
Yeah.
worked.
Can we fly it one more time?
We can fly it one more time.
Yeah, normally one more time is when it crashes.
Exactly.
Okay, flight number 3.
That noise is goofy.
It's so fast. It flew perfectly.
Got minor battle scars here.
Most of that dirt was already there.
After this, it was time to make a mounting system for our rocket. I went about making my own electronic matches and using Estes B rockets. I used a separate independently powered ESC to power the ignition system.
We're installing the match. I hope it doesn't catch on fire. Ready for launch? It's flying all right. I'll do one pass. Turning left and igniting rocket in 3, 2, 1.
Something had gone wrong. The rocket didn't ignite, but we could still see smoke.
I think it went off. I saw some kind of smoke.
Probably the match. There it is.
The first flight of the day went well besides the rocket not working.
Let's just say that was the test flight.
The match went off, but it must not have had enough contact with the engine.
Okay, this next turn I will be igniting. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's not working.
Yet again, something went wrong. The fuse went off, yet the rocket didn't ignite. We weren't sure what was going on, but we assumed the fuse wasn't far enough inside of the rocket. It was time for the third test flight. If this didn't work, we would have to try again another day.
Ready? On. Next pass we're igniting. 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Whoa! Might want to land before it catches on fire.
It flew better than ever. It was a truly successful mission.
It powered off, but hopefully it got all the footage. Whoa! Oh yeah!
Thanks to my crew and family to making this video possible, and don't forget to subscribe.
Cool. Yeah.
Do it again.
Next time, bigger rocket.
Yeah.
Oh, it's wet.
That's what I'm saying.
Or do like
Very cool.